Hello mga tiyay. Umuulan. And ang mga bata ay ayaw matulog sa bahay. It's afternoon here. Sobrang ingay nila. Kaya finorce namin silang lumabas. While on our way, kasi nga maglalakad sana kami sa forest. Although umuulan, pero magandang pa-experience sa kanila while it's raining. We're gonna... It's like I'm walking in the rain. I mean, you know, that kind of scenario. So we wanted to walk in the rain in the forest. So habang nasa way pa kami, nako, natulog na yung dalawang bata. Tingnan mo naman sila. So asa ng hustisya dyan? Tulog yung bunso, nasa car seat naman yung si Kika. And Dada is here. So, we are stuck. We are stuck in here kasi hindi namin sila malagay sa trolley. Kasi nga tulog nga sila. Gusto namin silang makatulog ng mahimbing kasi masyado silang magulo sa bahay. Even me, I got irritated from too much noise of both of them. Ayaw nila akong tantanan, even just 1 second. No. And it's Sunday and I want to have my peace of mind. No, nothing. No more peace of mind for me. So, Dada forced us to dress up and go outside. And then we just end up parking here in the somewhere, waiting for them to wake up. Hopefully they will wake up soon. If not, then when they wake up, we're just gonna go back home. Dili mi maka walking in the rain. I was just saying to Dada that in Philippines, if like this, if it is raining like this, everybody just stay at home, just cuddle in the sofa and watching TV and cook some nice snacks in the afternoon. But here in abroad, especially nga sometimes lang magre-rain, pag raining, nako, nag-i-enjoy ang lahat sa labas maglalakad. So gusto rin namin na ma-experience ng mga bata yung walking in the rain, pero wala, tulog sila. So time check, it's already 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I guess when they wake up, we're gonna go back home. Hindi rin kami makapaglakad. Nasaan ang hustisya? Mag-aantay lang kami dito. My goodness, ito talagang mga batang to. Hindi madali. Okay, that's it for now. Later ulit guys. Ciao!